Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 2-pack of swivel mounts from the store AI Know official on Amazon. As with all my videos, I buy these items with my own money. Just like doing the video in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item. Wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So I guess there's various purposes you can use these for. I'm actually planning on using these with my trail cameras so I can mount them when I'm using them in the outdoors, as well as on things like bird feeder poles, stuff like that. It's a little bit harder to mount on. So you've got a sturdy clip here that you can clip on anything you want, and then you've got the threaded top that you can use to mount trail camera, action camera, cell phone, anything like that. And then you've got an adjustable ball so that you can adjust the angle of the camera. This is a 2-pack. Get 2 of them. They're both identical. But anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Hope it helps.